AI is changing the world faster than ever, and AI agents are at the center of it all. Companies are hiring AI agent developers like crazy. So how can you master this skill 10x faster than traditional methods? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step roadmap to become an AI agent developer in just 30 days. We'll cover essential tools, hands-on projects, and even job-ready strategies. Let's dive in. AI agents are the next big thing. They're already automating tasks, making decisions, and even writing code. Think ChatGPT, AutoGPT, LangChain-powered agents. This isn't just about chatbot, it's about AI that acts. Businesses need AI agents to automate workflows, handle customer interactions, and even build software. And guess what? The demand for AI agent developers is skyrocketing. So if you want a future-proof career, learning AI agent development is a no-brainer. Here's how you can learn AI agent development 10x faster. Instead of endless theory, we focus on rapid, hands-on mastery. Phase 1. Define your goal. Knowing your goal helps you focus on the right tools and projects. Phase 2. Master the essentials. Instead of drowning in textbooks, we'll focus on the core concepts you actually need. Think of this as your AI agent toolkit. Master these, and you're already ahead of 90% of learners. Phase 3. Hands-on projects. Forget passive learning. Let's build. These aren't just tutorials. You're building real, job-ready skills. Phase 4. Specialization and real-world applications. Once you have the basics, it's time to go deep. Phase 5. Job readiness and monetization. By the end of this, you won't just know AI agent development. You'll be ready to make money with it. Want to go even faster? Here are some pro hacks. These hacks will save you weeks of effort. AI agent development is one of the hottest skills of the decade. If you start now, you'll be ahead of the curve. Drop a comment below. What part of AI agent development are you most excited about? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more AI deep dives.